All right, so if you're using Grok AI just for simple questions, you're honestly missing its real power. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok for advanced research workflows, like a pro. First, a quick idea. Grok is different because it uses real-time data from the internet and social platforms. So you're not just getting old information. Start with a clear research prompt. Don't ask something basic. Instead, define your goal, topic, and what kind of output you want. Now, this is where it gets powerful. Use DeepSearch mode. It runs multiple searches, analyzes sources, and builds a full research-style answer. If your topic needs deeper logic or breakdown, switch to Think mode. It works step by step, so your analysis becomes more accurate. One big advantage: ask it to pull real-time discussions. You can literally analyze trends, opinions, or breaking news instantly. Don't ask everything in one prompt. Break your research into parts, like overview, trends, competitors, and risks. Always tell Grok how to format the result, like bullet points and tables or summaries. This makes your research easier to use. Here's the pro move: don't restart. Refine the answer step by step. Ask it to expand, simplify, or improve specific sections. You can turn research into content instantly, like reports, scripts, or summaries. Grok basically becomes your research assistant. You can use this workflow for market research, academic studies, content creation, or even business analysis. So yeah, once you start using Grok like this, it's not just a chatbot anymore. It becomes a full research system. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more advanced AI guides coming soon.